Hello everyone, welcome to this new problem of the day video. So in this video I've come with a very exciting problem. So it's a problem where we can find logarithms, integration and functions. So it's a very good problem. And limits also, basically limits play a very important role. So very good question. There's a lot of manipulation as well as logical thinking also included in this. So a perfect level math, treat for math geeks. So people will definitely enjoy this problem. So the problem is f of x is equal to ln x whole square minus integrating from 1 to e f of t dt divided by t. All right, f of t by t dt. So this is the question, and he has asked us to find the value of limit x tends to e f of x plus 1 by 6 whole power 1 by x minus e. I'll just write the question again. So it's limit x tends to e f of x plus 1 by 6 whole power 1 by x minus e. This is the question. So limit x tends to e f of x plus 1 by 6 whole power 1 power x minus e. So coming to the solution, first thing is I'll write the equation that has been given to us. F of x is log x. So instead of log x, I'll just write it as ln x. All right, because it's base e. So ln x whole square minus 1 to e f of t divided by t dt. All right, this is the equation. So I will just assume this as some c. So it becomes ln x whole square minus c is equal to f of x. And now c is basically 1 to e f of t divided by t dt. All right, so now just substitute, like, because we have f of x, instead of x put t and write the whole equation, because this is f of x, this is the function f. So I'll just write that. So it's 1 to e f of so instead of x, I'll just put t and write this equation. So it's ln t whole square minus, because this is I assumed as c, I'll just put it as c divided by t dt. So I get 1 to e ln t whole square dt divided by t minus integrating 1 to e c by t dt. All right, so this is like ln t differentiation is 1 by t dt. So it's basic integration, like you will get ln t whole cube divided by 3 integrating from 1 to e, and minus this is 1 by t dt. So it's log d, sorry, you might assume as ln in this case, or you can just put log. So c log t from 1 to e. All right, so coming to the next page, you get this to be after integrating and putting the limits, you get 1 by 3 minus c plus minus c. All right, 1 by 3 minus 0 minus c, which is equal to c. All right, because you can just see in the question, this is nothing but c here. All right, c. So after putting the limits, you get this to be minus c, and here 1 by 3 like 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 0 minus 3. So you get 2c will be equal to 1 by 3. You get c value to be 1 by 6. All right, so we got the c value to be 1 by 6, and now we'll just we have this function f of x. All right, we have this function f of x log x base e whole square minus 1 by 6. So just put f of x like e in the place of x. So you get f of e is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 6. Because here we have c, instead of c I just substituted 1 by 6. So f of e is 5 by 6. Why did I find by f of e? Because in the question he has asked us to find the limit x tends to e. All right, so because of that reason, I'm actually putting e in the place of x and finding this value. So now limit x tends to e f of x plus 1 by 6 whole power 1 by x minus c is the question. All right, this is the question. So what is f of x? F of x is ln x whole square minus integrating, so integrating 1 to e f of t by t dt, I've assumed it as c, and here it's plus 1 by 6, here it's there. I'm just writing this whole stuff here. Okay, so 6 is c is 1 by 6, so you can just cancel these both. So finally you'll be getting like limit, you just need to evaluate limit x tends to e ln x whole like ln x whole square power 1 by x minus c. All right, this is the question. And because if you can just look at this, the power is almost infinity, because 1 by x minus c, x is approaching to e, so it will almost be equal to infinity here, and this ln e is actually 1, so it's actually 1 per infinity form. So for evaluating in 1 per infinity form, I'll write it in this way: 1 plus ln x square, like ln x whole square minus 1 whole power 1 by x minus c, limit x tends to e. All right, this is how I'm gonna write it. So into the next place. I'll just make some space here. So I get let me erase this. So from here, like you can just check here that we have got 1 plus ln x whole square minus 1 whole power 1 by x minus c. So I can just write it here, and I can just write it here that limit x tends to e, are writing in the one, like because we have got that to be in 1 power infinity form, I'll just write that in e power limit x tends to e power limit x tends to e 1 by x minus c into ln x whole square, ln x ln x whole square minus 1. All right, this is the e, like 1 power infinity, so I've written it in this form, e power limit x tends to e, that power like 1 by x minus c into ln x whole square minus 1. This is how we write it. So I'll just evaluate this limit more comfortably. I can write this e power limit x tends to e, this ln x whole square, and 1 I can write it as ln e, isn't it? So I can write it as even as ln e whole square, right? Because 1 is nothing but ln e, so instead of 1 square I've just written ln e square and divided by x minus c. So now I can write this as e power limit x tends to e, a minus b formula I'll be using, so I can write a ln x minus ln e into ln x plus ln e, all right, divided by x minus e. So this is how I'm gonna write it. So now e power limit x tends to e, so this is nothing but ln a minus ln b formula, you can write it, and you get ln x divided by e, and into ln x plus ln e divided by, I will write this, I'll just take 1 by e common. All right, I'll just take 1 by e common, then I would get, and I would get x by, like instead so here what the thing is, I'll just take e common, so that I just need to have x by e here. So for that reason I need to take something. If I take e common, I get x by e minus 1, so that's the reason. So e I can just shift to numerator, I'll write it in the next page. I can write it in this way, like just a while, I'll just erase this all stuff. So here where did we stop? We have ln x by e divided into ln x plus ln e divided by e into x by e minus 1. So I'll just write it here. So it's e power limit x tends to e power limit x tends to e 1 by e ln x by e into ln x plus ln e. This is the numerator that we have, divided by x by e minus 1. All right, so I just shifted this e common that we have taken in the previous step to the numerator. Now if you observe this one carefully, if you observe this one carefully, this one ln x by e, like ln x by e divided by x by e minus 1. Like if I assume this x by e as some y, all right, if I assume this x by e to y, then my limit actually it's limit x tends to e, all right, limit x tends to e. So if I take x by e as some y, so then this becomes this limit becomes y tends to 1, all right, because x tends to e in the sense x by e, you can just divide on by e on both sides, you get x by e as y. So limit y tends to 1 ln y divided by y minus 1. All right, so if I put 1 here, I get here 0, here also 0, so it's actually 0 by 0 form. So for that purpose I can use my LH rule, right? I can use the LH rule and solve this and get the value. So I can just differentiate these on both sides, I get 1 by y divided by 1, so I finally get 1 by y. So limit y tends to 1, all right, limit y tends to 1, 1 by y by 1 is what you get. So it's basically 1, because limit y tends to 1, 1 by y divided by 1, so you just need to put y value to be 1, you get this one, so you get this to be 1, and finally you'll be getting it in this step, e power limit x tends to e ln x plus ln e. All right, this is what you're gonna get, and divided by 1 by e, that's that we have here. So you just need to put e, you get 2 ln e divided by e, so it's basically 2 by e. So therefore the final answer is e power 2 by e. All right, so this is the final answer. I hope you guys understood. Like this is a very good question, highly it's a Olympiad type question, or you might say in a JEE advanced view, or any other highly proficient math exams. So there's a lot of manipulation actually in there, and is there in the solution. So this is the only way I would say solving this problem. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So stay tuned for the next problems. Thank you.